Hey guys, it's Evan from Overly Informed. Welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're new or returning, this video is all about giving you a clear look at the resources I offer in my store. I know your time is valuable, so I've included timestamps on screen and in the description below. Feel free to skip to the product you're most interested in, or stick around for a full tour. Let's start with the complete 5E bundle. This pack includes everything you need to teach a topic from start to finish. It's laid out and classroom ready. Quick heads up, older bundles may include a full lesson plan, but newer ones focus on the 5 core components: the lie detector, vocabulary exploration, slideshow, real-world application, and test. By removing the lesson plan, I was able to cut the cost of this bundle while still providing y'all with everything you need to run a complete and engaging lesson. First up in this revamped bundle is the lie detector worksheet. Students read 3 statements, 2 true, 1 false, and try to spot the lie. It's a fun way to kick off the lesson and get students thinking critically. Answer keys and teacher notes are included to help with discussion. Next up is the vocabulary exploration worksheet. Students pick key terms and write short and meaningful paragraphs explaining each one. It's great for building content vocabulary, and I also include some fun incentives in the teacher notes to keep it fun and varied. My slideshow presentations are ready to teach and visually engaging. Each one includes an essential question, background information, content slides, fun facts, why this topic is significant, and a conclusion. The presentation finishes up with some teacher notes that include ideas for differentiation and extension. This is perfect for introducing or wrapping up a topic, and these are all always completely free. Then we have the real-world application worksheet. This activity presents a scenario related to the topic, along with guiding questions and possible arguments for each side of the issue. Students apply what they've learned to real-world ethical or cultural issues. It's great for writing, discussion, or debate. To wrap things up, there's an assessment. Older bundles include a 10-question multiple-choice quiz, but newer ones now feature a 25-question multiple-choice test. It's a more complete check for understanding and works well as a formal end-of-unit assessment. An answer key is included as well. So that's what you get with the complete 5E bundle: engaging activities, deep vocabulary practice, structured discussion, and solid assessment. All designed to save you prep time and keep students engaged. Lastly, I wanted to show you the lesson plan that, again, is included in the older bundles, but not the newer ones. Each lesson plan includes 3 learning objectives, a list of necessary materials, the procedure, options for differentiation, and teacher notes. Let's move on to the second bundle, created specifically for English language learners. This one supports multilingual students by presenting the same academic content in simplified, structured Spanish. First, you get Spanish language guided notes that match the slideshow. Each section has a word bank and fill-in-the-blank format, helping students follow along and build vocabulary as they go. Next is a 5-paragraph academic reading in simplified Spanish, followed by 10 short response questions. It's a great tool for reinforcing content and practicing comprehension in an accessible, age-appropriate way. Lastly, there's a Spanish version of the multiple choice test. It includes 25 questions that mirror the English version but are written in student-friendly language. It's perfect for fair assessment in mixed ability or co-taught classrooms. The complete ELL bundle is fully aligned with the slideshow and 5E activities, so it fits right into your existing plans. Whether you're supporting newcomers or advanced ELLs, it's a simple, efficient way to make your content more accessible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped clarify what's included in both bundles and how they can support your students, whether you're looking for structure, engagement, or strong ELL support. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section below or through the Q&A section of my store, which is also linked in the description. So if something stood out to you today, check out the full collection to see what fits your classroom best. Until next time, may your coffee pot never be empty and keep on teaching on.